All right, welcome guys to my YouTube channel. This is your boy Forex Spider, and in this video, I want to quickly share with you how to choose the right lot size for your trading account. So guys, this is a very important topic that we are discussing right now. So make sure you watch this video to the end for you to get the very best out of this video. So guys, a lot of people jump into forex trading without really knowing how to manage their risk or without really knowing how to use the appropriate lot size for their account. Guys, if you don't know how to do this, it is very, very risky. It's a very, very big risk you are taking, okay? So this is one of the reasons why most people just come into trading and lose all their money in a day and they end up, in pain. Guys, you need to avoid this kind of situation. So all you need to do is just to learn how to use the appropriate lot size. Because guys, if you don't know the right lot size to use, then you'll be trading just blindly with any lot size without actually knowing the implication. Guys, if you use the wrong lot size on your account, you may just end up getting your money burnt within some minutes or even seconds, guys. But if you watch this video and you understand how to choose the right lot size, then you're going to avoid all of these mistakes, okay? So guys, these are some of the topic I'll be touching before I take you straight up to the practical on how you are going to learn how to use the appropriate lot size for your trading account. So guys, if this is your first time of watching my video, please just take a few seconds to subscribe, like this video, comment, and share so that whenever I publish another new video like this, you'll be the first to get notified and you'll be the first to see it, guys, because right in this channel, I will be posting a whole lot of educational content to help you in your trading, okay? So guys, let's proceed straight up to the matter, okay? So, what is lot size? And then we're going to also discuss type of lot size, and then I'll also touch how to choose the right lot size for your account, and then practical on how to calculate uh the right lot size using my FX book. Okay, this is very simple stuff I'm going to share with you, and after watching this video, guys, you will not be making those mistakes again, and you'll stop losing unnecessarily. Okay. So guys, what is lot size in forex trading? This is a very, very important topic. So guys, in forex trading, the term lot size refers to volume or quantity of currency pair that is traded in a single transaction. Okay. Let's say for instance, guys, you want to buy a particular currency pair. You can't just go to the forex market and just buy anyhow or buy just like that. You need to specify the volume or the quantity of that currency pair that you want to buy. Okay. So just let me just use this scenario for instance. Let's say you go to the market and you want to buy a particular item. You don't just go to the market and say, I want to buy this, I want to buy that. You need to specify the quantity. Okay, you need to specify the quantity of the item that you want to buy. Okay, so the same thing applies to forex trading. If you are buying any currency pair, you need to specify the quantity of that currency pair that you want to buy. Okay, so this is just basically what lot size is. Okay. So if you want to learn more about lot size, I think I have one of the video in my channel. So just search for it. I have explained thoroughly lot size for you, okay? So forex trading involves trading currency pairs such as Euro, USD, GBP, JPY, and etc. So if you are going to buy any of this currency, then you buy them in with lots, okay? You buy them in lots, okay? And there are three different type of lot sizes that we have, guys. I'll be explaining each of them for you guys right in this video. So make sure you watch this video to the end, guys. Don't forget to subscribe because I have a whole lot of content coming in for you guys. I'm fully back and I'm back, okay, guys. So let's ride on, okay? Type of lot size, the number one that we have here is standard lot, and one standard lot is also known as one lot, okay? A standard lot is the largest standardized lot size in forex trading, okay? And it represents 100,000 units of the base currency in currency pair. So let's say, for example, if you are trading Euro USD, if you are trading Euro USD and you buy using one standard lot, that means you are buying 100,000 units of euros, okay? So guys, this standard lot is very big. It's a very big lot size, okay? Let's say for instance you started trading and you don't know about this, and then you have a $10 account. guys, and at the end of the day, you open one lot on your account, guys, your money will be burnt within seconds, okay, if the trade go against you. So this is why it is very important for you to know how to use the appropriate lot size, okay. So by the time you know how to use the appropriate lot size, you can apply these things easily on your account, and then you stop making unnecessary mistakes, okay. So guys, these standard lot size are typically used by institutions and traders and those who have larger, larger trading capitals. You can't just use it anyhow, okay? When I mean large capital, I'm talking about $50,000, $100,000 and upward. This is what I mean by large capital. So if you don't have that kind of money in your trading account, then you are not advised to use this kind of lot size unless you just want to gamble your way around, okay? And you may not be lucky all the time. So guys, the next type of lot size that we have is the mini lot, and it's also known as 0.1 lot, okay? So a mini lot is 1/10 size of the standard lot, okay? Let's say, for instance, if you have 10 mini lots in one place, then it's equal to one standard lot. You can see how big the standard lot is, right? This is the mini lot, and this is the second type of lot size that we have. And this mini lot represents 10,000 units of the base currency in a currency pair. Okay, let's say, for instance, if you are trading GBP JPY and you buy this pair using one mini lot, that means you are buying 10,000 units of the British pound. So you can see the standard lot is way much bigger than the mini lot. So the last one that we have is the micro lot, which is the smallest lot size, okay? And this micro lot is the smallest standardized lot size in forex trading, and it represents 1,000 units of the base currency in a currency pair. So guys, for example, if you are trading USD card and then you buy one micro lot, okay, you buy this pair using one micro lot, that means you're buying 1,000 pieces of USD. You can see how small it is. So if your trading account is small, like from $10, $50, $100, you are advised to stick with a micro lot because this is best for your account, unless you really want to take high risk. If you can really accept the fact that you are risking all your account, then you can, actually increase your lot size. But I don't encourage such. So guys, stick to the micro lot if your account is small, and gradually you can increase the lot size as you grow. So that's just it. So guys, the next thing we have here is how to choose the right lot size for your account. So guys, it is very important for you to know how to choose the right lot size because, like I said earlier on, you will not just go into the forex market and trade blindly using any type of lot size, okay? Because you may just get burnt and you end up in regret. So choosing the right lot size in forex trading is crucial, very crucial, okay, for effective risk management and aligning with your trading strategy and financial goals, okay? So I have a simple step-by-step guide to help you choose the appropriate lot size for your account, okay? So the number one step here is for you to assess your risk tolerance. This is very, very important, okay? You need to determine how much you want to risk or how much risk you are willing to take on each trade, okay? Let's say you want to buy a particular currency pair, you need to actually determine the risk you want to take before you enter the trade. And you also need to consider factors such as your trading experience, because if you're not really that experienced, then in trading, then you need to lower your risk, okay, until you become more experienced. So you need to consider these factors such as your trading experience, your financial situation, and then your emotional capacity to handle the market fluctuation. Because guys, if you take a high risk and the market is moving against you, you're going to see the loss is going to be way big, and you end up being emotionally attached to the trade. So you need to lower your risk so that you don't experience all of this, and you need to understand your own emotional psychology before entering any trade. So it's very, very important for you to assess your risk tolerance, okay? And then secondly, you need to define your risk per trade, okay? Like I said earlier, you need to define your risk per trade before entering the trade. Decide on the maximum amount or percentage of your trading capital you are willing to risk. Okay, let's say you have a $1,000 account. You need to decide how much do I want to set aside for risk. Can I set $100 aside for risk? Can I set $50 aside for risk? 20? It all depends on how much you can set aside for risk. But as a rule of thumb, guys, I advise you to risk at least 1 to 2% of your account. Okay. Uh, or you can still risk a particular amount, just like I said. If you have $100, you can risk any amount out of it, the amount that that is suitable for you and your financial goal. Okay, so I don't know your financial goal, I don't know what you want out of the market, but then you need to determine that amount for risk before entering a trade. So that's what I'm saying. Okay, so guys, right now I'll be walking you into the main practical on how you can actually calculate the right lot size for your account. Okay, um let me take you to my forex book, and then I will share with you, I'll show you how you can actually do this easily. Okay, so guys, for you to calculate your uh lot size and for you to allocate the appropriate lot size for your account, just log on to www.myfsbook.com. So I will leave the link in the description below for you to do that. Okay, so once you come, you're going to land on this page. Once you land on this page, guys, you're going to click on FS calculator. Okay, once you click on FS calculator, it's going to bring you to this page right here. Is loading. So you allow it to load for it to bring you to this page. So you're going to see a lot of tools, but what we are concerned with right now is this particular tool right here, this position size calculator. So you just need to click on it. Once you click on this position size calculator, you are going to select your currency pair, the currency pair you want to trade. Okay, we have so many currency pairs here, so let's put it on Euro USD, and then you are going to select your account currency. Okay, the currency that your trading account is. They have so many currencies right here. Okay, my account is in US dollar, so I'll put it in US dollar. Then you're going to put your account size. Okay, let's say for instance, if your account size is $1,000, you type it $1,000. Okay, then you put the amount of percentage you want to risk, because I advise that you risk nothing less than 1 to 2%. Don't risk more than 1 to 2%, okay, of your account. So once you click the percentage, the risk ratio in percent, you type the percentage you want to risk on the trade. Let's say for instance, I want to risk 1% on this trade, then I'll just put 1% there. Okay, then guys, you need to know your stop loss, the amount of your stop loss. Okay, either in pips or in the number of your stop loss. Okay, whichever one. Let's say for instance, if the stop loss is 20 pips, okay, you're going to type 20 pips right here. So if you don't know how to calculate your stop loss or how to calculate your pips in terms of stop loss and all this, I have the video in my channel. You can just go and watch the video on how to calculate your pips. So by the time you calculate your pips, in terms of stop loss, where you want to place your stop loss, that is the amount you're going to type in right here. So if it is 20 pips, you just type 20 pips. Okay, then you leave this particular one to 1. Okay, this trade size or lot, you leave it to 1, and then after that you click on calculate. It is very simple. So guys, you can see that 1% of $1,000 is $10, and then you are buying the lot size you're going to use for this trade is 0.05, which is 5,000 units of that currency that you're buying. Okay, this fall under the mini lot, like 5 of mini lot, micro lot. This fall under 5 micro lots. So this is 0.05 that you're going to trade with. So it is very simple, guys. If you don't understand, if you don't get it very well, you can go over it again. Then the second option for you to calculate your, the amount of risk you are willing to trade or how to use the appropriate lot size for your trading account is for you to click on swap the money. Okay, let's do that and see what will happen. So when you swap the money, this will allow you to, determine the particular amount of money you want to risk on that trade. Okay. Let's say, for instance, you have $100 account and, risking 1% of $100 is going to be very small. You may not even find the lot size to use for it. You understand? So all you need to do is to determine the amount of money you want to risk from that $100. Let's say, for instance, you want to risk $15 or $10. Okay, let's type $10 here. Then, I mean, that place is for account size. So let's put 100 for account size. Then you want to risk $10, okay, for per trade. Then let's say your stop loss is 25 pips. So guys, you leave this one to 1. So if these are the parameters you have with yourself, and this is the amount you are willing to risk on the trade, which is $10, and then let's say after calculating your pips for your stop loss, you discover that it is 25 pips. You just put it right here, okay? So after calculating the pips, you just put in your pips, you just come and click calculate, okay? So at the end of the day, this is the lot size you are going to use for your $100 account, okay? You can see that you are risking 10% of that account, okay? So you know that at the end of the day, you are not going to lose more than $10 on this trade. So if the trade go against you, and then if it goes in your way, you make a lot of profit for yourself, right? So it is very, very important for you to know how much you are going to take on for risk before entering that trade, so you don't trade blindly. So guys, if you are trading and you are looking for capital, you don't have access to capital, guys, I am trading with a particular firm that fund me instantly, okay, without me having passing through any form of challenge. No challenge. Once you just sign up with them, they will fund you instantly with a very small fee of registration, okay? So I will leave the link in the description below. So guys, let me just show you the firm, okay? They are very reliable. Their name is 10 Trade. I have been using them for a while now. So they are very, very reliable, guys. So if you want to, if you are looking for fund and you are stranded, you don't have, access to fund, I would advise you to try them out, okay? So they have different account sizes. The minimum account size they have is, I think they have $1,000 account and the fee is very small, okay? And then they also have $3,000 account and they have $10,000, they have 30,000, they have 90,000, they have $250,000 account, and they have $500,000 account, all for instant funding. You don't need to pass through any form of challenge, okay? So this is their website, but the link to register is in the description below. So make sure you click the link and then it will take you straight up to their page, okay? It's loading now. So guys, look at the platform right here, okay? They are very, very flexible. I have been using them for a while now, okay? You can see their $3,000 account, instant funding. Look at it, instant funding. You just pay $100 to get funded instantly without passing any challenge, okay? And they also have a $1,000 account, which goes for $39. Look at it. Then they also have $10,000 account, which goes for $300. So the right link to click is in the description below. So make sure you use that link. It should take you right here to registration page. After the registration, you can navigate around the site. You look for funded trader and then you select the account that you want to trade, okay? I wish you good luck, guys. If you want to ask me anything, if there's anything you want to ask me, my WhatsApp number is on the screen and it's also in the description below. Make sure you reach out to me on WhatsApp. And then if you want to trade with me, guys, I have a community on Telegram, okay? You join our community where I give free signals, okay? You trade and then you learn as well. So guys, expect more videos from me, guys, and I will advise you to, subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video and share, okay? Thank you guys for watching.